Hi, welcome to Beginner's Guide to Excel. In this video, we'll see how to open an Excel file on Windows 11. Here we can see the desktop, and on the lower end or at the bottom of the desktop screen, there is a toolbar here which is showing some icons from left to right, and these icons are used to open certain applications. Now, the first icon is a Windows icon. So click on this icon and a menu bar opens here, a search bar, and then in that search bar, you have to type Excel. And in the best match option, the Excel app will be displayed. So double click on this, and the Microsoft 365 Excel home interface gets open. Now, this is how the Microsoft Excel home interface looks. This is for the new, if you want to open a new Excel file, and this one is to open an existing Excel file. Now, by default, there is a black line around the blank workbook, so it is highlighted. And there are also other templates here. You can select as a beginner. You need to understand what a workbook is. So click on the blank workbook. So an Excel file with a worksheet gets open, blank worksheet gets open. And if you want to enter any data in the cells, type the numbers that you want to enter. You, you can also enter text. And now, once you've entered your data, you can store this in the Excel file by opening the quick access toolbar. And here, a menu box opens. In that, it is asking you to save the file. So write the file name by pressing backspace and then enter the file that you want. So says Excel 1. So I've entered Excel 1 because it's the first Excel book that we are going to do. And you can save that Excel file in the hard drive by clicking on the D drive and save it. Now this data along with the worksheet gets stored in Excel 1. Okay, it is showing that it is saved to the PC. Now to close the Excel file, you have to click on the enter button at the right hand corner uppermost and click on this with your mouse, and the file gets closed. So this is how you open and close an Excel file on Windows 11. Thank you.